To fix Arris router not working. So we do have a few methods over here to potentially fix this problem. The first one is to check power and connection. So ensure the power cable is firmly connected and the outlet works. Look for LED lights on the router. So no lights equal no power, of course, and pretty much the other options. You can also go ahead and try rebooting the router. That's one of the most basic things you can go ahead and try first. And you can check for cable connection. So make sure these cables are firmly connected and Ethernet cables are connected properly. Use different cables if it is needed to rule out damage. You can also check for internet outages. So you can use your phone's data to visit your ISP's status page or websites like Down Detector. You can contact your internet service provider if there is any known outage. Other than that, you can also access the router settings. So connect to the router through Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Open a browser and type either of these links and log in with default credentials. It's often just admin and a password, but these info is pretty much found at the back of the router. You can also check the status page for one internet connection status. You can also go ahead and try resetting the router. So only do this if the other steps fail, of course, but you can pretty much try this if you want. Find the reset button, press it with a pin or 10 to 15 seconds until the lights blink. Wait a few minutes for the router to restart and restore factory settings. And the last two is to update your firmware or to contact Arris or your ISP. So if none of the above works, you can always go ahead and try contacting customer support. So anyways, these are most of the methods to try and fix your Arris router. So if this video can help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.